Daddy sucks. Good job.
Wow, Nolan, you're better than Dad.
Yeah. Here, Jack, you want to hit this one?
Hit it again.
Get another ball.
Oh my gosh, he's going to actually get it in the hole before anybody else. Get it in the hole.
Daddy's really bad.
Can you believe that your dad played a PGA Tour course just on Friday?
Drop it in. Get it in. Get it in. Oh, good one.
Almost. One more try.
Oh.
Put it in.
Well, he doesn't have a short game, but yay!